agus fátíí hiic na seanslia mas maidh seanta glaú glaciad na seanslia is me se Hugh McGill chear arás libh an dinge is gnéisiúil in Mohacéin. I don't know, I'm just carrying upping myself. Fire dirt to our immersion is if not Russian fear. Níl or much free. Oh, stop, James. Stop. We're not choosing violence. Choosing bad creú. Let the hall. Ní féidir seo derail a full Lewis a hasí buid. Tá just mis Hugh McGill gar just bheith eil ríéis tá an Eagrán uair seo na seansaí. Tá an seo marscra lemhuid cólaci lemhuid cairde ar dúspáir tá seo le Áine weir. Áine, Jimmer tá tú.
Go branis. Bug brona ríis mar seo an tá an dearna an Sraith.
Yeah, tá muid chartna si ag an punch na blian ar change ration hibernation agus bhín áing ar good creative juices a chur a bháach ar far tomul bug. A mé tú ar gritnú inis?
Well, ní bheith seans a gom si bh chuinú mar bé muid genú phodchraoladh bio ag Arctus na saon an teachn te thugann so
boy.
Gan caiici se so ní mar so a gunn really.
No, yeah. I reached the image to him that yellow. Just leor Mr. Kellan Hammer fought. It's great. It's J-Moss J.
I love it.
I can't say do hang that thing into my chop fast la James O'Flyer the James Jimmer that too.
Yeah, team romhainn freshen.
Oh no. Baby, no.
No, I can't go Hugh got violence has the arms of chin like to floor a dirt take arm of chin. No, yeah, come on.
The anime.
Yeah, gone. Come on, yeah, why not release some sort of an option to try a ach ní bheith se bhád ríos clúns I ráis libh le sé chéad an chun chéad sé surrenders ruí agus má léon sú mór san éireachtas so tá nuair a chuúntar doras amháin is chun den cinn faoiog nach bin airad.
Gur maigad an Tahir James gur maigad so slugtas leor slugtas leor James and sin.
Gospel according to.
Yeah. I mean léing sé bitch, just pick up lines or fall that would lay say grand out.
I was actually Hugh got this tossy to was just so got the tossy fast the hormone.
Oh no.
Inish tomatoes and head start what's mission like.
That's my mission now fast mo can come
Now hosty to Hannafin.
Cheeky.
She was free but Johnny sorry Áine
like she should go gorilla me like.
No, yeah, the just wrong is Hugh lose kebab in the whale. Need ein gruige. Watch it on the music video new. Need liberal gruige.
I guess you know what this massa is go my whole gruige ahan la etch like be marm like much like gooling a shave Alexander like it's like this all like ach McCrimmel the federal me anu I've been sure son kushmai so yeah chance go me chance go make it the tash but Google manish again there this brown arm the thing be to go make her arm ach gaji shin which a kunny right lash and Sraith of image janu agus a cur cashni fear yin or a hella agus find out the hard truths faoi chéile agus an so bring Michigan agus bhí se 6 couple na ceisní bhí dínta cruai give a cruel bedger jearing bring muid cin James and sin fast 6 vibe céan a hanis go bhfuil an birch an genta thing bhain foice agus ein repercussions dús agus that James that could be ceisní chuing muidinis mar tá argad Eagrán genta so foigan sin muid le Áine Jammer that mohuin is faoi an seachtain seo do the ceisní.
Tá bheith actually like co-nervy seanis. Sás gom like chur bheith compla ceist Jean godóir arbh se agus mar dúir tú níl rud a bhí chun chur stan ó maith arbh sin is so just sílam na mé ní bheith mercy ar bíú go bhniu.
Yeah, no, tam de fáin seo le tomónis sílam. Well, tá mis ar aon those James Gertfood so ru tú schema leat.
Yeah, the question in cave catch could worms tonight. I'm like, Jesus Christ, like, come on, to like ease on yourself on, no mercy, Joe, just straight into it.
Yeah.
So, cutthroat cartwright show like so. Yeah.
Oh my
Obey.
god.
Súga mór leis.
Fang the back ag been the cash like Ken bla is fair lad. Like, you know, Ken.
Yeah, cuní mar sinna.
No ní any. Right, I'm one with Ray James, I'm with really two / an interrogation. Listen, spot and spot solace a chur and you know she's the rune this mo of Falama.
Keys it.
Yeah.
But the guy can't catch her.
Yeah, I got mission can guess not great this it.
So such a darling.
Mike darling. Well, and cash the dogum said. Agus is cash for say like ni chaps the thing of yellow is cash for say shaw. Anywhere. Carvastu. Our boss Claire Nar boss didn't all more Chapam gur Ahreen and Friar on shafting. So just kind of imagine Pinnacle John Shaw. Carvastu.
Okay, the green am le garker vision to Jesus brother teach him the higher second.
Oh, fucking brilliant.
Shin and Friar McQueen.
Agus tá fragra solir kinse ogumar is ban o chunding farme. Ní riú na as chunding farme, germ gul mo chrí in ungal. Agus ma arcan tú ma haila ó heh like fholade ní lein foiile gunning far. So germ, you know, is foiile olta atá agum. Agus ban an farme, tá me inta broad las sin as you know, in Banner County agus takeíocht de hort de Éireann an chláir agus sinna le ní riú gur ban gun an gáme. Germ go bradam an áit. Leor beidir anta cos le gras gáme. A ní lucht arm sufficient a lucht ar maclán. Ach no, ban an chláir tríd agus tríd go homlan.
So is het er al omse nachmocht Genzi doen allert dat wacht ze de gimmers pel.
No, bheith Genzi hirónarm, mar is as tíón mi ad. As tóga mé tar takeíocht ar an fella hirón. Yeah, níor chaim me se riú Genziúnaáil I mo híal, níor me an riúarm.
Ní crajim sin.
No, níor cean riúagam, gialam dit. Gialam. Níor cean riúagan. Níor thug mud riú takeíocht sport únaáil. Grug, yeah. Níorna.
So nish ma karmajinga so an ceadú eile right a karmaji nesam cún ar atá se an ceadú eile karmajinga agallamh ar duine beart you know clíile etúin no mas as den aliad caiitú a clí leis gur bhfuil tú as an chléir.
Níor mé riú le bhí you know gur as an chundé mé.
Ba bhí tú fairly nasci dó. Tú fairly nasci.
Tá mé có like tan air sin aithne go mar like na nósanna núnaáil agus na bílanas na siopaí is like 100 a tart an canter. So suppose Jenum circuit with the shin like oh I can relate like but mar ik laat ze dul shears I should an the phodchraoladh. Níor me se riú gur as tú na gáme. Níor me sin. Ach tá mo chuí an.
Sin dú landar go story inis le gorá agus éist le ahanana le Eagrán don na Seachtainí. Agus special bheith cinse éist le faoi rá just le bheith cinse.
You know, it's coming between, you know, analytics as narration.
Yes,
you know, just le bheith cinse, Jen.
Yeah. Should my Kager loophole is not friar my yeah. Isn't this James King cash tugged?
Yes. Okay. Stem ook een ceol I Áine. So. Chuig na ceol. Okay. Ach. Ik geef er net EP. The headline is mental, right? The Drake, you know, the Beyoncé on. The not het Gerrit is soort van New York but the thing is smooth. The thing is call you is not agreement. Should they EP geven net, right? Ach. Ka tu on erchtes als een flash even net hoort soos. Le he Ka tu pukke iets EP doen erchtes. Le geet 3 blian alle. Ken altijd pukse. Ken altijd de two soos. Dat is ook een band more veel te kopen. Als zijn erchtes om pindiker zeer nog heel goede vliegen. So.
Tá sé actually dully sort sweeter cin ask me an crack is fergum. Like ní higgin
Dat ik ook de koude maken aan dat is een hele scenario zo.
Yeah, like ní higgin ní an cracketa ag féle beag mar sin. Hoca leis an craic beidir bheith níos fearr ná an craic ag lecture picnic.
Ach tá tú cuiimú
Ach tá tú caiileann amach rinne híana a speisialta election. Oh God,
agus
dulí.
tan colcha leon agus tá rodí gaile gan.
Tá go leor stuff gaile gan.
Ach níos an wat ceann snáachtas,
Tás gom nach meid sibseab an ceist ó ragart ní seo chóir an cean seo chumsa. So just an trí blian eile.
Ja, ach cadú cuiimú go chéad 3 bliain eile is sin do chud fichití.
As an 3 bliain is fearr hin den Oireachtas go stahan den seachtar as an COVID.
Agus 3 bliain is seágat ag EP freisin. Ní rá go EP. Ní mar rá is Google tan an rá go EP. Like was 3 bliain má chruúing Thomas ná cinnaí bheith an lús is the thing.
Okay, so sílam meallar an actually meallar an pointer in tún sin. Sílam gur bé an Oireachtas féile go jiglatdul as hanuantas ag Easterbit the heel. Like bín seandíní bín daoine na hochtúdaí ag Oireachtas na saona as bín siad sunna agus bín rud ag ná de ahandanna. Ní dóilm go jiglat sin dhéana le electric.
Dirty James.
Hey.
Sílam go an get is fearr den Oireachtas go an taithí sin bhaid gon hanahéin a dul ann ar an osscoil. I dul ag club na féile as bú leis na cumann a le geile. So tá mé chun electric picnic around den 3 bliain eile. Mar rahi mé ag an Oireachtas ahan ila bhliain na chud eile do híal. Ní any me sin le electric picnic.
Okay.
Do you know?
So Hugh just main to go to Ignatius.
Yeah. Watching you right. Well, the machine glaún double bed. Hey glaú and single amazed these shamra. Mark Bay family room. Tar, I actually come to you should play. Can I what do they call it? Shouldn't guess the road.
No, it's 3 single bed.
That's 3 lappy.
That's the one.
Family room.
Family room.
I should genuinely I should grow birching and go to see Labby wine like I really thought
all single bed on and then on shag bed.
You mean the Queen's bed?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Go whatever you want.
Could be with the cap and twisted to go arrange shit.
If you get a good on the nose and raise some on, okay.
Hucklat Yaucher or must buy that, but it's yes, I can different be Yanu. It's a cost like Dublin Zoo of challenge. Return the shock thing yet. Oh, need your page of feud the folklore.
Bugger I can shake Castella.
She can. A cash the ogum, nah. So kind of Elena Lumhain agus la Lord Lumhain is James. Is synergistic group in which, and truing. And Mohin to Costa like quote one of the boys, nah, and will do like shy like kind of much like female presence of yogins to chance there. Basically like and we'll raw laddie ditch, nah, and we'll shot like farfan doi
no, those chukish kind of kaiti sweet you and regular shonish.
Because it's lads ceol it's lads more machig is chance.
Lads, yeah. Visa gum care to be some costlesh. Idol stahan shilum. Like like Arthur La Valley trees in Blee and Latiji Kahar. I was like, oh, okay, these are the kind of lads. Yeah. Take them. on the Zoom's seachtainí listen.
What a glowing review. I knew what I was getting into.
During their happened with Eagrán, I was like, shit, Nimisha earn kind of granar cosalive agus Nima gen the sort jokes he had and shiv like real lad jokes. Agus again too Sheelam grow make it look like crap like bijan now me able to the show but Sheelam ne a couple of shacht and me what he may grow me beidir group go me acra get a bug less sorts match all súsliv ní smó my sin ceol. Sheem go nachrim se go mór I brahar kate me like croco heart and stuff. Tosim that beam get a bug ní smó cos slash na daine sin so she go sin é tarlu an synergy sin, you know, will actually go meg nature to style lads.
Yes. So an rud tu ra and gira agus and I quote Dari much the seal. Shouldn't know the tu ra.
Okay, well, like, ní mé dul heart, we can like, oh, jokes about sex, ha ha ha, hilarious. Ní mé, like, I'm not there,
Áine,
okay?
bí muid rá cimid aspa sexy thing.
Yeah, come on, mid a hall. Please. Fai Mars card.
Tá definitely for Birch Genta sa Trojan Sheelum. Yeah. So ní wahim inishe. Ní wahim gur like Colleen May and then in Birch Lad. Wahim go, I don't see gender.
Agus look, like me just lads mains Hugh. The sensitive sides, right?
Yeah.
That bin was like
Sheelum gur sinne, like ní vein up to really mark that if it was just 100% lads.
yeah, Beam was actually kin on serious Scotsy, like you said.
Yeah, tá soft spot march good. They have sensitive.
Yeah.
Well, and yet Mohim say go to say kindin the lads. This is a kindin, you know, Tugaman and Tedgel Shindich go to more kindin the boys.
She and Queen Boy.
And Queen Boy.
That sounds like Maslow when you like Daenerys after Coblino and
Oh yeah, about it, yeah.
Queen's Boy.
Yeah, a throwback, yeah.
Like bully just a collection of it.
Real old school, yeah. Well, Neil much Jashin, come with your rag, or is this a Bonry Nursery?
Yeah. Oh, knock her Queen of me.
Oh, ní choirí. Well, fun
No,
yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, dat doe de goeie kan de gaar le pléann nuus net. Kijk hoor. Smaller dich gemacht, kas romhainn. Kas ek you. Ní chead go seach a pobán kan de gaar le go go de heel. Kin pop ein.
Oh.
Tá sin úfasa mar be met sin den fóbun é seachtainí.
Sin a rud cat creamy and the fidiki, the facts, the chudrud bill, chonstra pub ma.
Brahan sé an mood, you know. Brahan sé an doigil tú mohu. Will ti gíve choli is si sti hé nachtan agus hot whiskey vel go a sti cobi no will ti gíve tailors nerta like DJ bio casu agus cocktails agus you know. Ní má the show ronu. Right. Tá rawa olwar agum cumáin seo. Bid go raibh mille top 5 reduce and then generate
and then brushing with sheets.
Yeah, can't do Rucha done game show go book doing cooking is and then go to see and then go to Claw. Was it a class in Emerson that was cars and then it's a book takeaway. Took on dinner one cookie, then took a kid another tiki, and then took on dinner at a Claw. She's not having gotten it. So she's not in the job.
Nero take away a wine and make answer so you row and row and okay. Happiness, right? How much happiness?
Happiness and Chinese ocean.
Yeah, well, it's any in it.
Oh,
R.I.P. Happiness. No more happiness around the forest.
Name Sweeter King can view Hanny nomination small. Right. So the kind of hame I'd say is realty. Nah, tailors. Go on ishti tailors. Ching Nachton, Spralame, Chicago. See, Jerry Dini wash, but to my con in front door up because it's late night Barry. That's at Ulwar.
Yeah.
Been DJ Bioku. Sni veha chinde. You know ta goni show mer eggsul so fob go jokla to lege. Quino melashin clean melashin 300.
Okay. So asan trushin.
If you aim on and Tom or fad, but I just gone in front door raw. Miala go say more. Agus tan ceol goni inta, been goni douse inta hog in the station. As gen she'd cocktails ganta, as gen she'd be a kmai. I mean, tasha rag gadun kodel de mahila kaishi snatch so. Amagina rawani a leg.
Yeah.
You're in any my jarm or atching a wadney's gesture now on front door like mohim ufas up Pierton Vera like oh the crane bar going cute. Oh, actually, Spradam and Crane. Con Crane Ganta has been ceol tra down agus.
Yeah.
Well, Neolum Guinness, but Jerther Gerbain Pianta Guinness is faring alu. Okay. Well, I know. Bold statement, but oh, I don't know. Then Tati Coley, come on.
I can't believe you do down that taps.
No, see, the taps are smelly. Tá sé
Oh,
ganta,
wow.
spram sí té mui the taps, but bín bolúistí. So ní me go taps ra.
She had to get her ball of Guinness.
Oh,
Bottle bre.
leverage.
Oh.
Like, ní me céad doci an James. Better go good sin lom.
You must like go raw taps, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah, taps new taters. You must go raw because like to non the Seansálaithe is the Catholic.
Yeah.
I did not did no old Christian. Close that taps. There's a triad session. Pinch it on the money. Chin being ceol aku Scotty version of taps, but then the taters on the DJ because the bands should be. So is it a patient? I think a mochma. Yeah, I think it's a patient of mochma. Even though small McCrane, small probably on a version, but I think if it was
Carol's just come on.
But ceol na the heel. You see, need to know about the 72-year-old she Carol's really like.
I can touch that.
Not with that attitude.
Yeah, after to none. The 72-year-old she Carol's like 72-year-old she taps. Oh, then it's completely different. She taps to do life the party. Was that?
Yeah. Tá mai chun Dearan ná ná mé ní me sásla mar agra ach tá mai chun Taylor's rá. Caihín mu méid is smó amán I brin mo caras cocktail bar so gcónaí bín seirbhí sínta. Ligan siad dit bí bhirt stahan mai ó áitna eile agus bín an ceol gcóna ínta as an crack a gcóna ínta so Taylor's it is. As is pub sean pub jazz ag mai like cean ceart na gaillimh but sé genta súsacha. So yeah.
Agus is late bar.
Yeah, sinné. So my rat Taylor's. Final answer. Shin Dolly.
Kite the right final answer because otherwise in this bit you're like, oh wait, 1 second, no, that kind of one, yeah, like guy.
Taylor's final answer, Sinead.
We need to nip shots of bud and she's just got Jira Shacht and Cash Shallow. So agus tasking go to come to like go me Ogland Don out there question to twos and cash shop, but I swear you should actually hold. So the Galamala ladnish. The high I can fact to say honestly, Nyasha Hoa. Galamala ladnish, like Killian. La shape young guy, which in McKenzie is mental. So Kane tip away a doki to the la ve a cadre of whole audition.
I know gur start comhairle bidder ahananta é seo, but sílim ghfuil an comhairle sin don't ever go to bed in an argument. Sílim ghfuil sé on like it tá sé ionach because ní ceart srí dul choú a dúisiú is fós a bheith trid an céad le eile. Ma táiríú argóint agad sóirteáil dírathe. Ní gom daoine bín rointíní cuairtú argóint as bín si de gurí kind of, I don't know, tá pásanach an muin sin as bín siad actually just a gurí bheith trid. But ma tá de gurí bliss I de Gaelbhreacht. Bí réisiúnta gen compromising cumai agus genníirt argóint just a chríitnú gan é chu ra roiada agus gan ligan dó land ra go dtí an céad báile. Tá sin dibir sin go maiid dúine go dtí seo, so sílam gur sin words of wisdom.
Kind of trying to give me spicy Áine, so just so I don't know, just can't be like I don't know, like
sex minimum 3 years stuff.
If you're just going around like I don't know, like tickle his toes and this is really sure.
Ní chun Lord faoi má heel gnéisú ar an bhodchraoladh seo. I know you do that, but you don't.
Well, our lack of
sin dó rawa.
Or reach our aspa does it.
That's like go sibh géirí radégan nachhfuil ann, you know.
Nachhfuil an or hard.
Géirid go sibh géirí.
No, I thought from Fragish and Gold. No,
Bhí Galton. Bhí actually carach that thing a bit about is the.
What can I say?
Can't relate. That thing that's
when you should have a Coral Huyef, we can piece well should coughing season like Hugh need to go to staff account so don't toy
no.
You know what, go holla the icons a because go like you, okay, you need to go to that relationship Occasionally, okay?
No, Hugh.
Yeah.
No, an gluise do it.
Joke to the guitar is like Ryan Maladin chart, and then it just like Jeremy here, I'll just be like, oh, by the way, another there's the new yet we should absolute shite, and then just I roll over then Tail Hollow. It's like, wait, hold on. Like, no, she got no. Oh no, this my car. Can I show you anything? Oh yeah. Nish. Can't catch the to James.
So ceist chu aine armsa agus ceist dacarí an bud chu an the spot ma. Aine kid the start off from you.
Yeah.
Payback I don't know.
Like them sweeter show.
Just like a wave of roig like compliments on.
Tá fall Ray, leis you know, tá chumach ma bata íscaraachtanis.
See, ní dóid an go dimann sibh fi dear goil se bhain cos le chéile. Well, like tascam goil se cos le chéile, but si tá go leor cosúlachtaí ó héamh sort. Like, we're cree agus we're sort we're parsing that jazz.
Listen, nah.
Oh, this is so cool cheesy, but you have very pure hearts. Is Dini on like just cinálta?
I think when I agree with a couple of disagree on that, you know.
Well, let them off. Ní leat na ceart scoúir then, you know.
Damn right.
Is Dini on Waishiv, ní léon olcas an unif agus ní earn sibh droch rud faoi ní eile and tá se bhain, yeah, just cinálta agus ná na grá, you know. It's such an jazz of a card, you live. Oh, Hugh will do okay.
No.
Agus comhairle sin sílam go gurn a merchigh mé a gaiirí níos móna dinner ar bí heile ar dóin. Yeah. Ní dhéanam an méid sin gaiirí dhéanam ar an phodchraoladh seo agus is bralam se bheicáil agus nar haon muid amach just bín bhí na hínta is a fear ó chuin agus sa bheith súil at urgú leir. This is out of an absolute carnage a bheith ó chuin.
Iginty is fudge faster. I think Ben Shan School like collected like criú or hálú.
We go all night, baby.
Yeah. Literally, away my mod live to my goal like a carol like we will your margin.
Yeah, it was a Toya Canadian chance. It was our anim literally to the test. Toya chance live, I think it was.
But say there's to go Michigan James and Castle as in like
like
our parson.
No, my dirt may like we're cree like we're just Gardini my hit of at the lawn just lawn you know, all that good stuff. You ain't old Casunif. Shouldn't I go to Costa Nikela?
You're my brother from another mother.
Two hearts merging together into one.
You my brother from another mother. I think we now will garker and fish Michigan James doing Cree road like although
oh yeah, no Rin should be got together right.
And you're the one
yeah. What?
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Or just go my card like claws was the claw. The claw.
The person.
Kung Fu.
Just because I Yu-Gi-Oh! Chin the moves just
yeah.
Oh yeah. And Rowan Road, oh good. Couldn't get in road like the deck.
Yeah. I know it was like the gear, like it was like Rolex watch.
Yeah.
She's deadly.
I was going to Jackie Chan medallions. Come on, we should Lego going. Oh, iconic.
You are speaking my language in Shaw. Gurmina. Ní ceapam actually just like gur dense deep because I feel like it's only fairness gur inchim deep shooting with these Fairlam foods because near hard horse of catch an arm.
Oh yeah.
Not to overtake or give you road. Just kind of in the spirit of loving because I had to go around kind of ranish and the these Fairlam foods. Major Lathe Áine. I feel like this is now like I'm giving my rose in this tomorrow bachelor. I just felt like, in the Maxi challenge. Could be road, And what's Fairlam Futsa Áine is a ríis an méid craic agus an like passion atá agad faoi like a hanrod like mod like ceol really it's like ceol say the hé like it's like go homan agus the gcónaí geirí to hinna chur contásaí to hinna sprágu a ní bhain sin to the game mujinge is sprágu like in phodchraoladh is sprágu where it's like no caiimid like caiimid seo dhéanú like sorry caiimid
I try.
caiimid cur tús le seo whatever like caiimid cur you know caiimid cur an rífá like caiimid but like it's doesn't thing so it's like it's motivator great to like le genuine fair it's like upper fair so mission carry modular seal na gaelic agus lots of James it's you're stunning good looks sinna rud amháin sinna rud amháin
okay so should another husband to break huh
yeah nah tá agu no it's and you know what I think Arthur then you tell my Hennig James in the cost like that like it's genuinely it's like you know it just costs like much siblings on the immersion so really the shot out felt real emotional harnish Gira Mohinter cost like this should cost like Childbug and James is like me her it's me for Áine so yeah tam chrístí a bheith caiú amlah
stuffed for contact green
yeah shot look near capma gur be Sean Dóibh seo an dal
stop season finale inta
we're
bringing the tears
yeah
we're bringing the laughter
well I think you know I'm looking at the high cash wang out and listen cast journal so
bring it on
so yeah
when cast as he cast me saying season finale go on you wear Kate the Hurty dinner party and yet Joe Marv color setting kid on Kitchabina Kin tea with Aggie as Kim fall
Charmadol man all woof kunning kesho
Áine le duine cén dóid and yet an áine le duine Charmad ar gasha
Dúirt me gcónaí inar gcuir me ceist mar seo riú mo híal dúirt me gcónaí Robin Williams ach sé mar ceanar lista mar níl se lena heile but duine heisteoirí is fearr riú agus just cógranar I mean ní le duine bhí ach gaiir nu ag tús Mrs Doubtfire na tsinú na accents le just sílan go bheith sesin ionta bheith sesin abt an síimsíoachta le go thuirt you know then tá seo có dulí right sílam
Michigan James gur mai handling is
no hiaglam si se am bí sílam go dúirin manana a forbás a dhéhíil sa héindraig nuair seach seachtó a bhí si an choslumsa but níor me deis Lordlí ó bhí mé what like cairdig so feic sé deas Lordlínis mar gona fásta intí call me agus bhí si sort bhí sin na bhanínta like dígrasa agus sílam gohfuir me go leor do mo chuid tréú hí sé like sort ambitious woman bhí an tíh gon amscí so bhrálam chuna taismí you know se náhfuil me se nuir tarsúla gom as bhí si gcónaí pasta an gailge as anar bhí si anródú gur leor méins mé ar gailge céinar leir si héine so yeah feic sé das intí faoi sin agus sílam right ceoltar eolar ag an tabla seo seachas mai héin
raibh mar like nachhfuil duine an hana féin but is a gas
fear sin thuglamsan síimsíocht ceolaíon I suppose yeah tá seo có dulí I mean I want to go like Harry Styles but you know but ní sin cór
Harry Styles is the grand
I just see Harry yeah that's what I'm like it's a weird combo ní bhreacht sin go mai bhí ceart an bheith like idir Cillian lom you know
fecinn tú ag go
ma
ceapan go ecinn tú Michigan James Robin definitely fecinn the Robin
you know what me chun Harry Styles hurt because bhrálam bú leis feiceis like he's loving my life Speisialta
okay Billy okay come to think of it
it's a dream scenario okay
Mis go an text chu ag cilíonn in í seo sin.
Ínta na nation se leis an phodchraoladh seo nach an gaile ceige.
Sinna fláán domsa le bhí daine James leis sa deir le bhí daine pásam nachhfuil gaile acu, so then ní féidir le galrás agus éisiart lomsa cant mé sin seit le mud fidí.
Fáilte Hugh le ahanrad.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, Siam gur cinse, yeah, during my hairstyle is because seachtainí leor ó an deasa chanú Heochach sé gléasta just ínta cool. During the Killian actually named Josh Astronomist, and he's like, "Oh, Harry."
Killian
That A there.
Mm-hmm.
But here team agus be a shook of my James, what?
Yeah, go for it. Give off. Let's go all out. Fanatic.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what? We'll go classy. We'll go with a Great Gatsby team.
Okay.
Yeah, because ní bheith gan in a chat the gar cos like Amadon, like actually cool. And then Glyn shampoo and champagne of Uggins na coops and a classy affair. Siam gun gurn brewer my yad and cócracht because absolutely ínta cógal. Have to be like classic kind of Christmas dinner job sheelum. Chunne béla mar sin, all the trimmings. And then dear hinner manana and milshogena because we she ínta a genu milshoga and she cocky galta agus trifles and all that good stuff. So if I can eat it ínta. We're in her and shift shed chunne afters.
Yeah. Because James is the canny.
What a night.
Lads.
Lads. Mon Harry.
Where's Nana Weir at?
There's Galty Taylor.
Oh, Taylor's better hopper.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she's more agra.
There's an trúrugging seantais mar sugging. Sin simú nó?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just whole line gra. Dargad glúin.
Agree on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just class. That what a trúrugging
Yeah.
class. Shouldn't have done interrogation. Do you even remember going to this animation?
I don't know why she got a sort of session in the corridor, like him sort of gur win meg leor like massamain but like to my thirst on it. When you like in my head, no fish come sort of liberating. You know?
Bet I might have got sausage because fair ladness you can realign your chakras because I have
Yeah.
spigs.
Trying to make it a big meditation.
Just leashy survive them a bug. Careful to James Curry captain between session shin.
Yeah, I think she come on. Like I think like she come on like really like people going to play like Christine Taylor's really like but like get a big comparison to me. I think she could say was that Áine Shar was that come on Áine Shar in the Éist or the Oring like is came with thing, like so I think I actually go was like inside reading Maga actually came with things so they were like so was that the hook ships using again that does not be just Maga phone or it was that smuts not that
losers.
It's thingy much little hard.
Yeah.
Then would your Tashman go range again, okay?
Yeah, just big exhausting.
Because you can artists and people you got rash are usually scheduled programming, which is just gCeist agus
banter, lads,
crack, lads, maga loof, maga loof, no. Okay, okay, stop.
180.
Oi. Okay, no, seriously. How much you got around? How much her stop this an amateur shot. Crack Harvard. Gur mina miles notification. Let's write a car. Harvard my car Jake. Nimmers you punching for. Gur mina miles notification. Damage punching chat again like shaft blian. Yeah, she didn't give a shit. No. Car blian. Mats ni generation Éist right a card in the chance gur minimize the geisiart lane a rí samid ar an bhd le níos mó bliannis agus just it's current glinder in our Greek go go fáilinn agus leis an éistarniu go se ag Montreal as an crack agus an banter bí nógin. Má gaiir muide amsú na man hosta tá muidir an na seachtainí ar Twitter, na seachtainí ar Instagram agus na seachtainí ar YouTube agus go leáil ar go Éine gáanta. Má gaiir aine amsú na man hosta tá sin mar aine bhuiir ar Instagram, aine bhuiir ar Twitter agus aine bhuiir ar TikTok. Má gaiir James amsú na man hosta tá mar Fáilte ar Instagram, Fáilte ar Twitter agus Fáilte ar TikTok agus na hain Hugh Carr ar Instagram, Hugh Carr ar Twitter agus just cra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Agus na gaiir tá muid go bheith ag an Oireachtas so gin cinse tar suasogin agus aber Halloween tá sílim go denú Eagrán beo tá muidir fáinna ar níspóí fuiile ach bé le feáil an main hosta nar tagan na sunrí sin ar fáda má agus bhil go hebí gaimte a flogáilnis so ghlach go dear sás.
Ní dá an ghfuil?
No.
Class. Well, that's more gonna shove a crit do. Lie shocking. But you know, that agus been McFly Lord lots of WhatsApp. Sin. Gur mí má zuctification le na seansí agus bimidirrás igen cookish na trí bimidirrás igen bunch it's cookish.
Yeah. Just kunní súidir na manhoship.
You'll know. It is so good. They're time with Jiraj. I'll get you bunch and Gurmy the Morgan. I was putting you salt as in Jerry Shockton here. Slan.
Slan.
Slan.